everyone, this is Juan the board artist, and for today's video, this is a very special vlog. It's because it will be another art vlog, but this time I have a very special guest. I will be with Amanda. Yes, right everyone, I want to introduce to you our baby Amanda. Okay, how are you, baby?
Good.
You're good?
Yes.
So, can you introduce yourself to them?
I'm Amanda and I'm with Tito JM because I saw Tito JM. He was a really good artist. And I really...
Yeah, because I remember I did a gift for her. I did a caricature for her birthday and she was really amazed. She was really surprised. So now, he's been actually asking me, Tito JM, when are we going to have an art class? So, she didn't expect it, so we're going to have a content or an art vlog content together with her. So now your wish is my command. So I think she's happy. She's very happy. So how old are you, baby Amanda? She's our baby here. How old are you, baby Amanda?
I am 8 years old.
She's already 8 years old, but she's still a baby, guys. Can you tell them what are these?
So I bought these.
She has a palette, guys.
Yeah, I got.
Yes, and then what are these?
Oh, these are some paints I bought from the big afterwards, Lorraine and Mom with my sister.
Oh, so you have it with your, what are these?
Yeah. These were
Acrylic paints. So these are
Yeah.
acrylic paints.
Yeah. Some
And she also
heavy,
has brushes. Cute little brushes. I also have prepared, what a coincidence, guys. I also have acrylic paints which I bought from Koryo.
Yeah,
What are we going to do now, baby? And of course I have some,
new
brushes. What is it? Water. Yes, we'll be using water, of course, for acrylic paint. So now, what I'm thinking, baby, is we're going to have an abstract art. Do you know abstract?
No.
What is abstract? Yeah, that's the meaning of abstract. Something like you cannot understand. Only the artist can understand the art or the piece that they did. So somehow our facial expressions tell you what really abstract art for me. It's a modern art, right? It's a modern art, and then but the beauty of abstract art is you can really see beyond the colors, beyond the composition of the piece, but it's really what is behind the artist's mind. So it could be anything. So we might have our own interpretation of the art piece. It could be different from another person, like from a kid. So that's the beauty of it. So that is an abstract art. You agree?
I agree.
Okay, so of course for now, what do we have here, baby Amanda? We have a canvas. This is a canvas.
Oh, I always seen this one because since I was watching on Netflix, I always seen this one.
You always see this one. Okay. I have an example art piece. Right behind us is an art piece. It's called, this is an example of an abstract art. So it's quite colorful. I don't know if we can create something like this today, but who knows? Alright. So this will be a major, what do you call this? Major collaboration with baby Amanda. Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
How
Very excited.
How excited are you?
200 excited.
200 what? 200%? I put some masking tape as the border. Yan. We have border already. And an easel.
Okay.
We need to have an easel for this. Alright? Okay, baby.
Oh, they might fall down. Where did you
I think we need wait.
Where did you find a big paper? So I never been to a vlog before because it's my first time being in a vlog.
So I think for now we need she has her palette, but I think we need a bigger palette. Alright, I think we need to post it.
Okay, where am I gonna put these?
Shall we start?
Yes.
Shall we?
Shall we? Yes, of course.
We shall?
Yes.
Alright guys, let's start! Yoo-hoo!
And I have something.
What?
How did you get a big paper?
It's not a paper, it's a canvas.
Wait.
But for now, we'll be using only this.
Okay.
It's as cute as you are. Do you find this cute? It's cute, right?
Very cute.
Yeah, you both are cute. So, what I'm thinking, Amanda, is I think
What?
it will be a modern art. So, I have this pastel tape. And you can put this like here. Yes.
So where are you gonna put the
Later. So you will use this. I will use the blue one. Okay, so start. So okay, just apply colors. Just don't be afraid. Okay.
yellow?
Then yellow, then LP.
So-
You hold the brush like this, like that. Maybe I'll start it here. You hold the brush like this, like that. Yes. That's not this one. Go like this. Yes. Just like holding a pen because there are two ways. Here.
Oh, I know. I know. I'll make like something. I'll put something in this like
We'll use sponge.
what?
You can use this for all upper right way. Then keep it here. Right. You can actually mix. If you want to mix yellow and red here, to turn into orange.
Really?
Yeah. Look. Okay.
Orange! Orange! I see the orange.
Yeah, it's orange already, right?
Right, it's orange. Orange.
Here.
Then later I might show this to my mom. Then she might be very, very proud.
Yeah, your mom will be very proud of you. So this one for now is we're going to use sponge.
Spongy.
Sponge. You will show them the sponge. Here, the sponge.
So
Okay.
can I keep the sponge or
Yeah,
not?
sure. Now, here's what we're going to do. You use that, like this.
And then what do you do?
You dip it. Dip.
I am dip.
Yeah.
I know.
And then,
Sponge.
like this, baby. Like this. Sponge like that. See, the effect? It's good.
Oh, only there?
Yeah. No, maybe there. Anywhere. Now we're going to use blue.
You have. Wait, do I need to wash my
No, we will use another sponge. Because the tapes first. Now what we're going to do is using
cup?
this cup.
How?
But
How are we gonna use a cup? Why do we need to use a cup?
because we need to make some circles.
Oh!
Just like that, circles.
I was about to say that. Can you teach me how to do like this next time?
Here, baby. Here. You do it like this. Look at this part, okay?
Oh.
Like this. When you put this, like that, okay, they don't move. Then turn it. Steady. Like that!
Can you give me one?
Go. Maybe where do you want? Where should it go? Then don't move and then turn. That's it. And then finish. Take it out.
Yeah.
We need to add more yellow, right?
Yeah.
You agree?
I agree.
I think we're done.
Yeah, it's done.
You're happy with it?
Yeah, it looks good. So don't forget to. Okay, what? I'm just joking.
You should.
Okay.
Can you show this to them?
Ta-da! We
Yay!
are good at drawing.
We need to take the tapes off. Yeah, because there are still tapes on the side.
Oh yeah, there are tapes. So we will take off the tapes.
Yes, I'm taking off the tapes. Okay.
So what
And we
happens?
have to be very careful because this is the last. Ah, it's okay.
Wait, is it okay?
Yes! Look at this, guys! We did something great. I think it's amazing.
Yes, of course.
What do you call this one? What's the title of this? What do you want?
My
What do you think?
title will be Amanda's Cute Art.
Amanda's cute art?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like-
Amanda's cute art. We did an amazing, I think it's a good one, right?
Yes, it's good. So
It's an abstract
yes.
art by Tito JM and Amanda. Yes. Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Very happy. I think we did great. Okay guys, thank you very much. So this is what the outcome, this is what me and Amanda did for today. It's an abstract art. I think it looks great. Yeah? You agree?
Agree.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
How many
Really,
percent?
really, really, really.
Okay, so what else do you want to say to them?
So I love this art
Mhm.
by Tito JM, and I would like to say thank you with Tito JM. It was so much fun, and he is a really good drawer, and he helped me so much. And
So can you tell them to subscribe to my channel?
so subscribe to his channel, and we will
Do you want to do this again with me next time?
yes,
Really?
really.
My God, we did enjoy this one. We had a great time with Amanda, with this art class, and we did
Yes.
amazing. I mean, this is amazing.
Yes, of course.
It really is a modern abstract art. Look at
Yes.
this, guys. It's amazing.
Like the same with Tito J, and he drawn right there. Just
Yeah.
right there.
So, guys, if you're new to my channel, Juan the Word Artist, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated with my updates. And maybe this is not gonna be the last, or there will be more collaboration with my baby Amanda here, and we'll be creating more of this stuff, amazing stuff. Yes, art vlogs. Where am I? Thank you. Say thank you to them.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, baby Amanda.
Thank you also. So,
So,
we'll always pray. So, we'll always pray until the cover goes away, and we will what you call this? I can be always a good drawer like Tito JM because he's always really good at that.